Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our product title is Least PowerPoint Tracking Method for Photovoltaic Differential Power Processing Systems. Let us see about abstract of our product. In this proposed implementation is based on differential power processing systems. That area promising architecture for future photovoltaic power systems that achieve high system efficiency through processing a fraction of the full photovoltaic power while achieving distributed local maximum power point tracking in the photovoltaic to bus differential power processing architecture. The power processed through the differential power processing converters depends on the string current, which must be controlled to minimize the power processed through the differential power processing converters. A real-time least power point tracking method is proposed to minimize power stresses on photovoltaic and differential power processing converters. The mathematical analysis shows the uniqueness of the least power point for the total power processed through the system. The main objective of this design is a novel technique in PV generation system, that is LPTT technique, that means least power point tracking, to provide output under differential power processing systems. The perturb and absorb least power point tracking method is proposed that enables the differential power point converters to maintain optimal operating conditions while reducing the total power loss and converter stresses. This proposed design is done in MATLAB Simulink environment. Next we see about flow diagram of our product. In this proposed flow diagram consists various blocks. The first one is PV panel, another one is differential power processing converter, and the next one is a DC to DC converter with LPTT, and finally the output is getting from the output side. First one, the PV panel, is nothing but it designed to supply usable solar power by means of photovoltaics. It consists of an arrangement of several components including solar panels to absorb and convert sunlight into electricity, a solar inverter to change the electric current from DC to AC, as well as mounting, cabling and other electric accessories to set up a working system. It also may use a solar tracking system to improve system's overall performance and include an integrated battery solution as for storage devices. Next one is the differential power processing converter. In the differential power processing converter, the output of the PV panel is fed into this block. In this block, the controller is controlled by a maximum power point tracking. After that, voltage is fed into the output sides. And also next one is the DC to DC converter with LPTT block is getting the voltage from the current string method. That is, the positive terminal of the PV panel is getting into the positive of this converter, and negative terminal is getting from the differential power processing converter negative terminal. And in this overall process consists n number of panels, and also we can use n number of TPP converters, and this converter is controlled by MPPT. And that after that the one converter is connected, that is a DC to DC boost converter. That converter is controlled by the LPTT technique. This LPTT technique is used perturb and absorb algorithm, is based on the calculation of the photovoltaic power and power changes by sampling both the PV current and voltage. The tracker operates by periodically incrementing or decrementing the solar array voltage. The algorithm works when instantaneous PV array voltage and current are used, as long as sampling occurs only once in each switching cycle. The process is repeated periodically until the MPP is reached for MPPT, until the LPP is reached in the LPPT technique. The system then oscillates about the maximum power point and least power point. The oscillation can be obtained by reducing the perturbation step sizes. Next we see about running process of our product. In this proposed implementation is done in MATLAB Simulink environment. First open the MATLAB window and create a new model file. After creating a new model file, we arranging the elements as per the circuit diagram. After arranging that, we click the run symbol icon. After clicking that, the corresponding output will be shown in the corresponding connected scopes. The first one is the PV and IV curve. This is IV curve is getting from the photovoltaic panel, and next one is the PV curve, and next one is the solar generation input and current, voltage and power. These input, voltage, current and power all same in the three panel using of this implementations. And the next one is the input voltage and string current output, and the next one is the output of the string current is getting from the first panel positive terminal, and next one is the DPP output current, that means differential power processing systems output current, and this is the pulses is getting from the TPP converters, and next one is the output of the voltage is getting from the TPP, differential power processing output. So this taking some several times to attain a constant values, and the next one is the output voltage for that, and the next one the output current, the overall output current, and the overall pulses is getting from LPTT and MPPT, and the output voltage and current are shown here. So overall output voltage will be increased for using of this design. Thank you for watching this video.